Hey guys, it's your boy Daniel here, back with another video. This one is going to be copiers updates for the month of September, what happened in our portfolio, how we are doing, so let's jump right into it. So for the day, this is the first day of October, we are up 1.2%. Now when you compare it with indices, you can see Nasdaq is doing badly, minus 0.6%. Europe is doing also very badly. Only China is in plus and Dow is kind of recovering. What you can see is that the price of commodities are just exploding. When we look at the cotton, look at this. Well, today we are kind of break even, but when you look at the price, like since September 21st, cotton is up almost 20%, which is extreme gain in the prices of commodities. When we look at the oil, since the last support in August, oil is also up more than 20%. And we can go on and on and on. Commodities are skyrocketing and also crypto is recovering today. And why is that happening, guys? We are almost 20% just in cryptocurrencies, and let me tell you why. Well guys, we've got a problem with stagflation on the market. Now, what's the definition of stagflation? Stagflation refers to pressures that push prices higher during periods of slowing growth. Basically, what does it mean? Stagflation is a situation in which the inflation rate is high, which is it right now, and also the inflation worries are extremely high, and the economic growth rate is slow. Plus the unemployment remains steadily high. It's like the worst scenario that can happen for economy, because inflation rate is going up, unemployment is very high, and economic growth rate is slowing. So that's the worst case scenario that can be on the market. Now, why we are benefiting from stagflation and why I think that our portfolio will benefit from stagflation even when we are mostly invested in stocks. And guys, let me tell you, these stocks are doing very poorly in the periods of stagflation. Well, when you look at our balance, we've got still 21% of cash to be used. I closed some positions. Yes guys, I closed in red. It's wise, you know, I closed in red Mastercard, Google, Volkswagen. We had to do it because we needed cash, because if this is really happening, if stagflation is really here, we have to change our strategy, guys. What's gonna be our strategy? Well, what is performing very good in times of stagflation? Well, before it was commodities, the hot commodities, mainly oil. That's why oil is also peaking right now. Also the cotton, wheat. I don't think that silver and gold will be doing that well, and the reason why is that in these days, guys, I think that cryptocurrencies replaced precious metals such as silver and gold, and that's why crypto is actually peaking. I mean, of course, yesterday Jerome Powell said that he has absolutely zero intention to ban cryptocurrencies, which is very bullish for crypto. And also the fact that people are realizing it, that if we are entering the stagflation, the crypto will be actually might be the number one instrument that will benefit the most. Of course, most of these stocks will be performing very badly, like these drops that we have today. Like look at the Walmart, look at what prices Walmart is right now. It's insane. But I was doing my research earlier this day and I found some pretty good stocks that are still growing to they're at new all-time highs every single day, and they're still growing. It seems like they're unstoppable and they are pushing even with this fear of inflation, stagflation. So we as a team, we as a group are going to wait. That's for sure. We're going to wait how the situation will play out. We are very good diversified if the stagflation scenario will happen, because the crypto will literally save us. Plus we've got 21% of cash, which will be employed either to the stocks that I've told you are performing pretty good, or crypto, or even commodities with maybe some leverage. So yeah, the result minus 5.5% for the month. Today we are up 1+%, overall 26%. I still see that even if stagflation will happen, that we will actually perform very good and we will gain that 30% until end of the year, 30% plus. Also the companies that I bought lately, you can see that we have big position in royalty income, which is pretty safe company, which pays big dividend in my opinion. So we will take that dividend from from them, and it's just like, you know, call it like save the cash. The drop will not be that massive. Like there has to be another pandemic and everything has to shut down, so the royalty income will not make money, but they will make money even if everything's shut down, so it doesn't mean shit, to be honest. I bought Visa, everyone will be still paying, solid strong company. I bought Adobe, whatever happened, every designer is using Adobe and their programs. Autodesk, same here, and that's pretty much it. I bought pretty safe companies. If something's gonna happen, such as stagflation, we are diversified and I believe that we will grow. Now, these positions that we have here are long-term positions. All these positions in our portfolio are long-term positions. If I'll buy something new, some new companies, crypto, commodities, be sure that it's just a trade for the stagflation period of time. So guys, that's all for today's video. I hope I've answered you some questions. I wasn't that active lately, but I'm getting back stronger than ever. We are almost hitting that 60k finally. That's been a long time. I believe that in February we've been on around 40k. Many copiers have left. As you can see, the last post that I've made was 4 months ago and we've had 60s and we are now on 30, so already half of the copiers have left. I know it's a tough year for a beginner, definitely. That's a very tough year for a beginner. The difference between the last year and this year, last year was very tough, but this year everything seemed to be just roses and flowers, and like since that drop in May, everything's going to deeper and deeper shit. Guys, but don't worry, I didn't leave, I'm still here, still getting better. I'm learning now actually for the test from wealth management, which I have to take. That's gonna be on October 20. I'm learning for that. I'm still posting daily on Instagram, so make sure you follow me there. Link is down in the description. Make sure you subscribe to this channel. More content is coming more frequently. The better trades are coming. We are almost 1.5% on a day. Thank you very much and see you next time. Peace.